Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's question comes to us from Marcus. And he has a situation where he was married in 2012. Him and his wife have been separated for most of that time during their marriage. And now they are facing a divorce, and she is wanting to get spousal support and part of his retirement. Before I get started with that, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So as I stated, Marcus has been married since 2012, living apart most of that time. Prior to getting married, he retired, so he is no longer employed. He just gets retirement. And his wife is now, during this divorce, wanting to get her fair share of the retirement that he accumulated, as well as some spousal support to help her during this divorce or after the divorce. So what he wants to know is she entitled to his retirement, and is she entitled to spousal support? Well, in Nevada, any retirement that has been acquired prior to marriage is considered to be separate property, as this was gained and earned prior to you getting married to your new spouse. So therefore, the retirement would not be something that the wife would be entitled to. Alimony or spousal support would be something that the courts would consider if the parties have, for example, a big difference in income. If the wife is destitute and she needs some support, if he's able to pay the alimony and still survive, and if she is in really desperate need to receive this alimony, the court will decide whether or not she's entitled to the alimony and for how long. Alimony does not have a set formula in Nevada. It's basically based on the ability to pay and the spouse's need to receive it. So basically, the attorneys will make the arguments based on the marriage, the time of years, the financial situation of the parties, and then it is up to the judge to make a final decision as to what seems just and fair. But again, so Marcus, so you know, your retirement should be free from any equitable distribution in a community property status, as it was acquired prior to your marriage. However, that income can be used to calculate the amount of spousal support that you may pay your wife for the length of the marriage for the length of the time that you were married. So although the retirement money is not to be divided equally, it can be used to impute your income, to calculate your income as far as calculating spousal support for your wife, should it be awarded. I hope this has answered your question. If you have further questions or want to talk about this further, give me a call or go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be happy to talk to you about this further. If you know somebody who can benefit from this video, please don't hesitate and share it. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.